Welcome, my dear students. Children, you know that we are doing loops in our classes these days. We have already covered for loop and we have discussed about the nested for loops also. Today is the turn of a while loop. So let's start with that what is while loop. While loop is also known as a iteration statement. That means it will also repeat certain set of conditions or certain set of statements again and again till the time the condition remains true. It is used to execute the block of statements as long as the condition is true. When the condition become false, the control, that means whatever we are executing, it will automatically stop. The control will come out of the loop. Here, what is control? Control is nothing but a flow of execution. You all know that the flow of execution always start from the first statement in a program. The condition is checked every time at the beginning of the loop. Just try to understand the basic working of the while loop with the help of this flow diagram. So in journal, I can say this thing that the while loop consists of four parts. First one is increment, or you can say initialization statement. As you see in the example, it is written x is equal to 1. So here what I am doing, I am initializing one variable with any value. It can be 0, it can be 1, it can be any integer value can be given in the initialization statement. After that, we have a test condition. The second part of the while loop is a test condition. So here in this statement, it is actually a kind of a condition which is checked with the help of that initialization counter. As long as this test condition will remain true, the next followed statements shall be executed. So that means, suppose in the first iteration we have 1 less than equal to 4. That means it is true. So what will be printed? This is x is equal to, like, 1 will be printed. The fourth one is nothing but we call it as a increment or a decrement counter. For example, suppose in the beginning I have mentioned here as a 5. To make it or to run this particular test condition, we need to decrement the value of x. So here we can write x is equal to x minus 1, but here I have written x is equal to x plus 1. So these statements shall be executed 4 times. For 1 less than equal to 4, one condition. Second, 2 less than equal to 4, again true. 3 less than equal to 4, again true. And 4 less than equal to 4, again true. So as long as the last condition, that is 4 less than equal to 4, shall be there, the next statement print will be executed. But after that we have 5 less than equal to 4, which is not true. So that means my while loop will stop working in that scenario. We can also use while loop with the else. We have also used else with if. Yes, you are right. We have also used else with while. Now here we can use it with the help of a while loop also. So suppose we are running any program, x is equal to 1 while x less than 3. Suppose this test condition remains false, or it turned out to be false, then the else part shall be executed. But if it is true, then the body of the while, that is print and x is equal to x1 x is equal to x plus 1, shall be executed. So else part will be executed once we have a test condition false, otherwise the while loop will be executed. So what is an infinite loop? For example, just see this particular code. I have written x is equal to 5. Now 5 is always equal to 5. So do we have any kind of a situation in which this test condition will remain or it turned out to be false? No, we don't have any condition with us. So in that case, these kind of a while loop in which the test condition will never turned out to be false are known as a infinite loop. So this is all about the while loop, and we will do more programs related to the while loop. Thank you.